Tired of feeling like your Asana board is a chaotic mess when trying to manage projects with subtasks? I'm here to show you the secrets to getting those subtasks to beautifully display on your board, making your workflow smooth and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you've actually created subtasks within your main task. Click on a task card to open it. You'll see the option to add subtasks in the task details pane. Go ahead and add a few so we have something to work with. Now for the magic. In the top right corner of your Asana board, find the three dots, the More Actions menu. Click on it. In the drop-down menu, select Customize. This opens up a world of options to tailor your board to your needs. Look for the Show Subtasks option. You'll probably see it's toggled off. Simply toggle it on. Voila! Your subtasks should now be visible directly beneath their parent tasks on the board. Notice they are slightly indented, clearly showing the relationship. And the best part, when you move the main task, the subtasks move with it, keeping everything nicely organized and in sync. Now, let's take it a step further. Back in the Customize menu, look for the Subtask Display option. Click on it. You'll see two options, All Subtasks and Subtasks Due Soon. All Subtasks shows, well, all of them. Subtasks Due Soon only displays the subtasks with upcoming deadlines, helping you prioritize. Choose the view that best suits your workflow. And there you have it, a cleaner, more organized Asana board that lets you visualize task dependencies and track progress with ease. Now you can conquer even the most complex projects.